Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do two different Christmas nail art designs for you. Now, as easy as these designs are, I really struggled with these two designs, and hopefully you don't see too much of my struggle, but if you want to see what I came up with, just keep on watching. Okay, we're going to start out with the red plaid snowflake design, and I'm going to start out with number 164, which is this gorgeous Christmas red with glitter in it. This one is stunning, and I'm using my Glamour Liz hands, Elsa, and I'm just placing a thin layer on the ring finger, or no, that's not the ring finger. Oh my gosh, the pinky finger and the index finger. So cure time for Ugly Duckling is about 45 to 60 seconds in your LED lamp. I'm going to be curing for 1 minute in between each layer, so I might not mention it other than right now. Isn't this color gorgeous? Next, I'm going to go in with number 47, and I'm going to place that on the ring finger. Next, I'm going in with number 67 on the middle finger and the thumb, and I'm actually going to do these as a French design, so you'll see that coming up, and I'm going to use number 47 to do the French on the middle finger and the thumb. So I've cured for 1 minute, and now I'm going in with my second layer and curing for another minute. Here's where I'm going to take number 47, and I'm going to create my French in red, and I'm using my Stripy Brush from I think it's the Light Elegance one from Celina Ryden. So to do an easy deep smile line, I place 3 dots, as you can see, and then connect the dots with lines. And I find that that's the easiest for me to paint on a French look. So after I've cured the red French I am going in with my clear jelly stamper design, and I'm taking this plaid, placing it on the ring finger and also on the just the middle finger with the French, just on the red, and then cleaning up the black. I was really struggling, really struggling, so I decided to go in with my top coat because I cannot stamp unless I have a no wipe top coat down first. So I thought I would just get that done and over with. I can't tell you how many times I took this image off and reapplied it, and I was taking too long to transfer the image and it was drying, and I almost gave up on this video, but I persevered and here we are. So after the top coat has cured, I'm going in with the gold stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper and just adding a little bit more to the plaid. So this is my favorite snowflake plate from Moyou, London, and I'm going in with some gold stamping polish and just placing it over top of the red. So by this time my stamper wasn't even working, so I'm thinking I need to get a new one, and I forgot to turn the camera on to show all the different white snowflakes that I placed over top of the plaid, but you kind of get the gist of what I'm doing here. Yeah, this was really frustrating. Nothing was going right. I ran out of sticky pad to clean my stamper off. I was running low on the black stamping polish and just nothing was working. It was so weird because I usually don't have problems stamping at all. So here I'm just going over with my top coat and I'm going to cure for 1 minute. And just like that, with the magic of editing, here we have a really cute Christmas set using Ugly Duckling and some Clear Jelly Stamper. It wasn't that hard, but holy crap, I struggled. Okay, let's move on to the next design. I'm going to use number 43, which is a black from Ugly Duckling, and I'm going to do these nails matte. So I'm just applying this layer very thinly and I cure for 1 minute, and then I will go in and put a second layer on and cure for another minute. So now I'm going in with my matte top coat, and I honestly can't remember which one I used. It was either Magic Gel's matte or Bemi's matte, because I don't have Ugly Duckling. I keep saying this every time. So I struggled putting these snowflake images on a matte top coat. Holy crap, I thought this was going to be easy peasy, get it done, and there you go, Merry Christmas. But no, this one was harder than just doing the previous set I just showed you. So on the thumb, I decided to try and use some of this foil. So I put down some foil glue, cured that for 30 seconds, and then used this foil of the holographic snowflakes, which turned out okay. And then I put matte top coat over top of it. I didn't like it, and I ended up putting a shiny top coat over top of that. And yeah, I should have just given up, but at the end it did turn out quite nicely. So now I'm going in with enVogue's paints, and this is in white, and this has a top coat in it. So I'm gonna do a little bit of sugaring here. I'm just placing some snow, and I'm gonna sugar and then cure for 1 minute. And on the ring finger, I'm going to go in with silver paints. Also, this has a top coat in it, and I'm doing the same thing, sugaring technique, but instead of a white glitter that I used on the middle finger, I'm going in with clear acrylic, and I'm using Enailcouture's clear acrylic for this, curing for 1 minute and then dusting. This is my favorite part of sugaring, is taking all the dust off. And that kind of looked kind of cool. Now I'm just going in with the matte top coat, and here we are. A really simple design that really is easy to do. I should just know better that I know how to stamp. I stamp over top of a glossy top coat and I don't have issues. I thought I would try something different, and I'm never doing that again. And yeah, this thumb is, yeah, we just won't show it anymore. But I like the black matte with the snowflakes, the textured sugaring that I did, sugaring, and kind of cool if you don't want something shiny red and green for Christmas. So here, let's take one last look of these two designs up close. And you know, when all is said and done, I'm quite impressed with this design. I guess we all have off days, and this was definitely my off day. So tell me what you guys think. Do you prefer red plaid with snowflakes and shiny, or black matte? What's your preference for Christmas? Comment that down below. Also, everything that I've used I will put in the description box below, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I still have my Instagram account. I have not got disabled this week, so yay. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to get a video up before Christmas or not. I'm just really busy with clients. I have one more video planned for this year. I'm not going to tell you what it is in case I don't get to it before the new year, but I am going to try and do my best to get this last video out for you. That is kind of a surprise. I haven't done one in over a year for you, but stay tuned. If I don't see you on YouTube before Christmas, I hope each and every one of you has a safe and healthy Christmas. Thank you so much for supporting my channel this year. I appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see you in the next video. Merry Christmas, everyone.